How to download and play NBA 2K24 on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and play NBA 2K24 on your PC or your laptop, then first you need to open up your browser and you need to just simply go with search, and under search you need to search for NBA 2K24, and after that scroll down, and here you can also go with the official website or you can also go with Steam. So you just need to simply click on Steam. And if you scroll down, then here you will have an option of add to cart. So you just need to simply click on add to cart, or if you already have the application, then you just need to simply search for Steam application and open up your Steam. Go with yes and open up your Steam, and under Steam you can simply search for the game and then you can go with the same process. So you need to simply go with view my cart, and here you need to select the game that you would like to buy. So just go with continue to payment, which is on the right side, and then sign into your account on your browser, or you can also go with the application itself. And once you've signed in, you need to add your payment methods, and once you added your payment methods, you can pay for the game and you will have the download option right here on your game. So that's how you can download and play NBA 2K24 on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.